ERNA stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very short 1-minute video till the end to find out. As I'm looking at Eterna Therapeutics stock, I mean, I'm just consistently just reminded of the fact that this 32M stock just really does not like to go down. I mean, I was like literally on the bleeding edge, and if I saw a second break beneath these lows here with a full candle close, like beneath 38 cents, then and only then I would have taken things low. And guess what happened? We did quite the opposite, man. Like, it's crazy. But like, generally looking at this, I'm not even exaggerating. I mean, it's on the NASDAQ, so it must reach $1 before it gets delisted. So I think like we're gonna do all sorts of stuff to, you know, to move it up and whatnot. But even if I look at it from a daily chart, I'm not trying to be that guy, but it's still quite of a bearish thing, you know. I'm not really looking forward to it. I mean, it obviously depends like how you trade and whatever you look at, but like me personally, if I see some double breaks here and from there on, I'm looking to take things low. So it's not financial advice. Let me know what is your opinion on it, and I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy.